Dambe Warriors, salute our brave fans. I am Tony Kilike running commentary. Always a pleasure to guide you through a series of events happening at the Arena of Fire. Today, an unknown fighter in the arena on the yellow cap is Shagon Nabalbali from Kudu, Kebbi State, who was in Dambe Warriors 110 against Bahagon Ondo and in Dambe Warriors 130 against Bahagon Argungun. He has definitely seen some war during his time here. He's up against the ID card swinging from a short fighter from the house of Jamus, Shagon Karamufsa. He's 10 years old. And the opponents continue sizing each other up for this while. Recall the rule is if any part of the body touches the ground, it's a lost technical knockout. The fighters body each other. Shagon Karamufsa is from the Zamfara state and is 30 years old. Just you to know. Okay, now the fighters definitely need to go at each other. The crowd is patiently waiting in anticipation. Nabalbali was faster but making impact, but though Karamufsa launched first, very sturdy position from both warriors. The fighting stance of the Dambe fighters. Okay, what happens next? You need to impress the arena right now. Seem to be holding out for too long right now. Okay, good distraction. Incoming fighters warming up as they strut past the two fighters there. Who will initiate the first move? Come on, guys. We anticipate and okay, take your day. Fans still waiting. Swiftly done, but both missed. What is beautiful there? Beautiful strike there. Okay, what is what both fighters have the advantage of good reach. Nabalbali swinging one hand, 2, 3, and 4 makes impact. Nice is blocked and Karamufsa with a lead knee hook there. Nabalbali combines and uppercut overhand and faster staggers and he punches. He tries to dive in, but he misses footing. Oh my god, the crowd goes wild. He tries it again. Let's see the replay. What happened there? Too much motion, no control, and he lost his footing. Congratulations, Nabalbali. You played yourself. Oh, he cannot believe this, and I mean, he's in shock. What just happened to him? The crowd favorite. He manages his disbelief while Karamufsa gets the money ring and cannot believe his luck. I mean, it is such one of the upsets of Dambe. An underdog here doing his thing again. Wow, this is such an upturn. Gives us the split to celebrate his win. Quite turn out of events. Nabalbali disappointed his fans. Was the crowd favorite. Nonetheless, he lives to fight another day. I mean, stay tuned for more fights coming your way. Like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, and may the fist of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.